Looking for a way to keep your pets and kids cool this summer? The Pawtners Foldable Dog Pool with Sprinkler and RGB LED lights is designed to bring backyard fun to a whole new level. At 72 inches wide, this collapsible hard plastic pool is perfect for dogs, cats, and children alike, offering a safe and entertaining splash zone right at home. What sets this dog pool apart is its innovative 3-in-1 design. The built-in interactive sprinkler creates refreshing water sprays, making playtime more exciting. Meanwhile, adjustable LED lights add a vibrant glow after sunset, turning your backyard into a lively oasis. It's not just a pool, it's a complete outdoor experience for your family and pets. Durability matters when it comes to pet pools, and Pawtners delivers. Crafted from industrial-grade PVC and reinforced with twinwall polypropylene boards, this pool holds its shape firmly without collapsing. Plus, the textured anti-slip base ensures your dog stays steady during play or bath time, reducing slips and keeping safety front and center. Versatility is another major benefit. Available in 5 sizes from XL to 5XL. This pool suits all kinds of pets and multi-pet households. Beyond a dog pool or bathtub, it doubles as a whelping box, puppy pool, ball pit, sandbox, or even a dust bath for chickens and ducks. It's a flexible solution for any outdoor activity you can imagine. Setup couldn't be easier. No need to inflate, just unfold and fill with water. When you're done, the side drain lets you empty the pool quickly. Its foldable design means it packs down small, fitting neatly in your car trunk, closet, or beach bag. Whether it's backyard fun, camping trips, or beach days, this pool goes wherever you do. If you want a hassle-free way to cool down your pets and kids while keeping outdoor play safe and fun, this foldable dog pool is worth a look. It combines convenience, durability, and interactive features all in one package. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your summer routine. Pawtners stands behind every purchase with dedicated customer support. If you have any questions about your pool, simply log into your account and contact the seller anytime. Their 24/7 availability ensures you get help whenever you need it, giving you peace of mind alongside a great product. Make this summer unforgettable with the Pawtners Foldable Dog Pool. Whether it's cooling off on hot days or creating joyful water memories with your pets and kids, this pool delivers what you need. Ready for easy setup, long-lasting use, and plenty of splash-filled fun? It's waiting for you.